Oh my god, a guy, he just literally got hit by a deer. He literally just got fucking hit by a deer. I'm not even kidding.
Are you fucking serious?
Out of the bathroom. So, just to begin with, put that oral picture for us.
Ow! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Fucking idiot.
Come on.
Oh, hang on, we got someone backing up.
Wait!
And that's an insurance claim. Ah, fuck!
Oh my goodness.
The members of Congress.
Video protected.
Involved in it because you know he's involved in the Cubs and he's involved in the Bears, he's involved in the Bulls, and he's somehow, because he's a South Sider now.
It was it. He did, and I would tell you though, there's something he doesn't remember. There is a difference between. I disagree that.
That's pretty awesome.
Smoke trying to hurdle somebody.
It's like Kyren yesterday.
Yeah.
Holy fuck! Oh! Oh my god! I just watched some guy die. Literally. Oh.
Turn around. What the fuck?
Are we out of Hoboken now? Oh, Jesus! What the actual fuck?
Got hit too much. Substance equals cops. Red pills, blue pills, and green. Big pills. Oh. Yeah. Two cars crashed into each other.
Oh my god, damn! Whoa!
Video is now
Oh
live.
my god! Oh.